and I am here without a miss. So for today I'm going to use the most seasonal fruit of this season, which is orange. And orange is a product which has a lot of antioxidants, and it contains citric acid, which fights in acne problems and remove pimples from your skin. Other than that, it has bleaching properties which helps in improving the tone of your face color. And oranges are moisturizing and anti-aging, so basically it's going to smoothen your skin and make it more healthy and young at the same time. So let's get into the process. And as I said, the orange contains a lot of citric acid, so to avoid putting it directly on my skin, I'm going to add chandan, which is sandalwood, into the paste to make it more cooler and not putting the orange directly on my face. So let's get into the procedure and I'll show you how to do it. So I have orange pulp here, using half of an orange, and you can either use a orange juice if you don't want to get the pulp. And here I have this chandan stick with stone, and I have used rose water to get chandan, and you can use normal water also. So I'm going to mix these two ingredients to make a paste and apply it on my face. Now I'm applying it on my face. The layer will be a little thin because both the ingredients are liquid. So let's start. And it's done. So as you can see, my skin is more lightened up and the color tone has improved. So this will definitely help if you regularly use this mask. And I kept it for 25 minutes, so because it has chandan, so it feels very good on your face. So other than just the skin benefits, it also helps in calming your skin. So just go ahead and tell me how it feels for you and share experience in the comments below. Bye, see you tomorrow.